A very good morning to you all. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं आनी हांव मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं तुमचे साऊथ आनी भलायकी देवा कडेन मागता तुमकां लागून and thank you so much for all of your support, even for those people who are commenting negatively on my cooking videos. I thank you. At least you all are taking time to watch and comment negative. Some people says that you are not a Goan. Wow. Anyway, thank you for those comments too, that we don't have to prove that one you are born in a Goan family. You don't have to prove. Like आमी जाणा की हांव जाणा की हांव म्हाज्या गोंयकाराच्या फॅमिलीन जल्म घेतला हांवें आनी म्हाजी माय पाय म्हाजी घरामाय सगळीं गोंयकारां आनी एनीवे ती बायल जी पी कोणेन म्हाका कमेंट मारला ते बायलेन तूं गोंयकार न्हू कित्याक जजमेंटल जावंक जाय गोंयकारां ओ मुंबयकारां ओ युकेकारां आमची सगळीं गोंयकारां युके आहा जाल्यार ती गोंयकारां न्हू इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग लायक आर गोवन्स आर ऑल सेटल्ड इन UK for their job purpose or something, so are they not Goan because they are not staying in Goa or something? I am to staying in Goa still. That Pedri and someone commented that I am not a Goan anyway. So anyway, just wanted to get it out as I got this comment yesterday on my YouTube cooking channel. So whatever it is, whether we are Goan or we are not Goan, or we belong to this, we belong to that, but we are human being and respect every human being on this earth. That is what we are called on this earth, and love each other in the same manner. Don't discriminate anyone by their religion, caste and creed. Thank you so much once again. And here is now the spices looks very nice. So this is Shakuti masala. See, now I have Shakuti masala, loads of videos of in grams, masala in grams, masala in half kg, 1 kg, all is there in my YouTube videos on Shakuti masala powder. You can go and have a look if you want to make it more in quantity. But now this is for all those people who demanded for 1 kg of meat. So this masala is for 1 kg of any meat. Okay, you can use this masala for 1 kg of meat. Your masala जावन आसा your 1 kilo मासाक लागून हुंचेय मास जावं ते तुमकां हुंचे तुमकां बरें लागता त्या मासाच्या मेजरमेंटान 1 किलो मासाच्या मेजरमेंटान हो मसालो जावन आसा माझ्या किचनान सोट्या तुमच्या किचनान. and for all those people who want to learn, it's not for those Goans who are well experienced, who know everything. It's not for them. It's for those people who want to learn Goan Shakuti masala for 1 kg meat. Okay, and they don't want to make it in big quantity. It's a big work it is. So let's start. Now for this this is my teaspoon ka measurement and this is my tablespoon ka measurement. Whatever is there in your house, you use that as a measurement of yours. So let's start. So we need 2 bay leaves. Okay. Then we need half of this star anise. We say dagadful, but dagadful is also other one is there, that black dagadful also is there, but this is star anise, half of this. Then I've taken around 8 cloves and this is around 16 peppercorn. Okay, 16 peppercorns, black peppercorns, and 8 is cloves, 4 of green cardamoms, 2 of black cardamom. I can take it down actually for you all. So 2 of black cardamom. Now this is like a half inch of cinnamon stick. This much is zaifal, whole maize, that is zaifal. This much piece is enough. Please see the piece. It's a small piece. This is 1 patri, that is maize patri, maize flour it is. Then we need This is ginger, 1 teaspoon of ginger. So this measurement. So it is 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So ginger powder, garlic powder, you can make it at home. Dry your garlic, dry your ginger at home. And if you don't have sun, then you can roast it at oven. Make it dry and then grind it. You will get ginger powder and you will get garlic powder. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You know, first video, it was 2 years back. I was new to YouTube channel. I was very new and I had just started it in lockdown. I forgot to mention turmeric powder in my that video, which is in grams and all people started saying that you forgot to add this. But I had added it when I was roasting it, but I forgot to mention it. So here 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now this is 1 teaspoon of Shahi Jeera and 1 teaspoon of normal Jeera, that is cumin seeds. So Shahi cumin seeds you get and Shahi normal Jeera, that is cumin seeds. So 1 teaspoon of that. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1/4 of this, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Okay, so these are this. I'm not repeating because some people said don't repeat, so I'm not repeating it. And now 1 tablespoon of this size is this poppy seeds. Okay, it is khaskhas. It is not, please don't misunderstood into the til which we get. So this is poppy seed. This is not til. And 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and I am taking Goan chilies, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 of these Goan chilies which are spicy. So for me this is enough. If you want more, please you can add your more, and according to you, you feel that this is less for 1 kg meat, you can add little bit. You know how your family likes the taste. So I know my family likes this much taste. So this is according to that. Now this is a little bit of coconut oil I have taken, very little, but I'm not going to add it to fry anything. If you want, you can roast all this masala into this coconut oil. So hope you got all. I will give you a close up to this, because now we have to roast all this. Grained cardamoms and all. Okay, so now let's roast this. Now roasting process also, it depends upon you. You want to roast one because each masala has got different way. Roasting is to remove the moist. It doesn't give you any extra color or something. It's just to remove the moist because we preserve this. Okay, so if you don't want to roast it, directly grind it, you will get shakuti masala ready. But shakuti always is been like this, that we roast all this. So let's start roasting this. I have taken a pan. You can take any pan of yours, and I will roast it, dry roast it. So first thing what I will roast is our chilies on a medium flame. Just for few seconds. We don't want it like for lot. As I said, to remove the moisture. So I will do this. So now we'll remove this few seconds. Then we'll roast our bay leaves and all this other like kathri and all this whole spices, that even this Zaifal, black, green pepper, that will roast. Methi and our cumin also. Just for few minutes. After few seconds, we'll remove this also. Now we will roast our coriander seeds. So now we'll remove this also. Now we will add our Shahi Jeera and our normal Jeera. We don't have to roast turmeric powder and our ginger and our this. We don't have to roast it because it is dry powder. And we'll add our fennel seeds also. So they are all like brothers and cousins, I will say. All fennel seeds, shahi jeera and jeera. So again, for few minutes, we don't want to burn this. You can hear the sound. Tick, 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 tick. So here. So it is done. So we'll remove this also. And now our last part is khaskhas. So this will get roast very fast. Because this is very hot, so it will get very fast. See, it's already this. Change the color also. So for 1 kg meat, like, if you have time to grind all this, if you don't have time, then make it in quantity, which I have already posted the video. I will share the link in my description box. And make it and keep it. It is very handy. So it's this done. Now let it get cool and then we'll grind it. So now as it is cooled down, so I will remove this of our chili. And we'll grind this masala. And all this are powder. We'll grind this. We'll add little bit of salt to this, so if you are preserving it, always use salt, a pinch of salt to your masala. So a pinch of salt to this. So let's grind this to a fine powder for our 1 kg of meat. So here is our masala. It's hot. So this is our shakuti masala for 1 kg of meat. So we will calculate. We will count the spoons also. So it's like 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is like around 6 tablespoons of masala powder for a 1 kg of meat. Okay. So here it is. So we got 6 tablespoons of shakuti masala, and that all of this you have to use for your 1 kg meat. Thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy your shakuti meat curry in whatever you want to make recipes. There are loads of recipes on my cooking channel of shakuti. So I will put that also in this video. So you all can try those recipe also. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हांव, आनी मोग आसूं दी, आनी देव बरें करूं. थँक यू सो मच.